everybody, what's going on? It's Brian from Red Dirt Pickers. How are you? I am out in the shed trying to get some stuff organized, but I have about an hour to get some things out that I sold in the last few days. So I'm going to go in, pack some things up, and show you guys what's sold. I have a really cool item I sold. These little Star Wars cookie cutters. Really interesting. May the Force be with you. I think these were from Williams-Sonoma. Yeah, right there, Williams-Sonoma. Really cool little item. I paid 99 cents for these. They're normally 20 bucks at the store. I believe these are discontinued if I remember right. But paid $1 for these and sold them for $20 plus shipping. Check it out. I sold these vintage Japanese Sango mixing bowls, salad bowls. There's 3 in here, different sizes. And I paid $3 for these at a thrift store and sold them for $29 plus shipping. These were at the EARC thrift store close by me here in Oklahoma. Great place to find vintage kitchenware like this. I sold this really cool Thomas the Tank Engine little carrying case. You put your trains in here. I think it holds 20 trains. Paid 99 cents for this at Goodwill and sold it for $20 plus shipping. It's in really good condition. I think this was 1999 that this is made in, so it's sort of vintage, but really good condition. All right, first thing I'm packing up this afternoon is a Emerson weather radio. I have had this forever, over a year at least, maybe even 2, I don't know, but I've picked a few of these up at the bins. I have a Panasonic one here. This is Emerson, and I got 2 more out in the garage. But when I find these at the bins, I mean, they don't weigh much. But here in Oklahoma, everybody has weather radios, and most of the time, if like a parent passes away, they just trash these things. But they're pretty good. I mean, they're what, maybe $1 or $2 in weight. They barely weigh a pound, so a lot of the times at my bins I can get stuff for like $1.60. But anyways, I sold this for $22 plus shipping. Emerson weather radio. I gotta clean that little part right there, dust it off a little bit, but not a bad sale. These things sell pretty good. I just sold another one of these recently, and I don't remember what the brand was, but Emerson weather radio. Paid a couple bucks for it. Sold for $22 plus shipping. And then I got a couple other things here. Hey, if you guys don't know about these little Hello Kitty, there's a Sanrio version, but this one is a Build-A-Bear. The Build-A-Bear ones are selling anywhere from $30 to $100. This is the winking Hello Kitty. The little bow, you can kind of see right there, the Velcro. The little bow is missing, but I have seen sold comps on her for $40 to $60. Mine's a little stained. There's a couple little things I need to clean on it, but if you guys don't know about those, Build-A-Bear Hello Kitty or the Sanrio plush Hello Kitty are right around the same size, or selling for a decent amount on eBay right now. So if you guys can find those out and about, they're a pretty good buy. But anyways, back to my sales. So I sold these Hokas. I got these at the bins for a couple dollars. Sold these for $30 plus shipping. And then I found these at EARC thrift store. They were 25 cents each. Tennessee Volunteer acrylic cups. This is a, let's see if I can get the Connoisseur ware. I think that's what the brand is. But anyways, I paid 25 cents for these. There's 4 of them, so $1, and I sold them for $30 plus shipping. During the summertime, these sell. Anytime I see them, I'll pick them up. I actually have some golfing ones that have little greens on them and a couple little golf scenes, and I found like 20 of those, and I've sold several of those so far. But these took a little while to sell, but I had them listed for $30. I didn't want to take any less, so someone finally bought it for $30. So I got $1 into these, $30 plus shipping. I packed all those other things up, but I forgot I sold another bottle of this Antistat film cleaner. This is part of that vintage film supply lot that I got, gosh, probably a year ago. And I've made over $1,000 on that purchase, and I think I only paid like $15 total, which has been great. It's actually upwards of around 1,500 if I do my calculations right, but I had 3 bottles of these, and they've been selling for $20 each. So this is my last bottle that I've sold of this, and I just sold 1 bottle to a guy, and he asked if I still had 1 more left, and I said yeah, so he ordered another one. So gotta love those repeat buyers. But so I have pennies into this, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. Really cool. This thing's probably 40 to 50 years old, and this one's not open, but I'm assuming that they either don't fill them all the way or it's evaporated in there or whatever, but pretty cool that it's lasted all this time. Original price was $2.20 back in, I think this says 1940 something, somewhere on here. Or maybe it's on the little box. But anyways, so sold this for $20 plus shipping. If you guys find any cool vintage film supply stuff, definitely pick it up because it sells. Doesn't sell real fast. Some of the items have a little bit longer tail than others, but this stuff sells pretty good. So $20 plus shipping. This little Halo sleep sack. I think I got like 5 or 6 of these, and I only paid $1 for all of them. And they've been selling for around $12 or $13 each. I think this one sold for $12.50 plus shipping. It's just a little baby sleep sack. And this is part of that vintage film haul that I've been selling out of for like the last year or so. I paid $15 for all these items. There were about 40 or so items in that. So there's pennies into this. And I sold this for $28.50 plus shipping. Vintage speed easel. Steel sealed in the box. Really cool. And this will go first class too. This doesn't weigh but 10, 12 ounces. Another cool thing I sold today are these hot dish mats. These are vintage from early 70s, I believe, maybe late 60s. But this is a Balanoff. This is a decent brand if you guys ever find this out and about. And this pattern with the mushrooms and stuff on it's a pretty sought-after pattern right now. And I paid $1 for these and sold it for $48.50 plus shipping. I think I charged around $8 shipping. I could probably ship it for about $5 or $6, so save a little bit of money on shipping if I keep it light enough. All right, here we go. I got all 4 of my packages all packed up and ready to go. So this is, unfortunately, I just forgot that I had other things I needed to pack up when I took the things this morning. So I took a trip to the post office, and then I'm doing a second one. So not the most efficient day today, but I got 4 things going out, which is cool. This is that the film solution that I packed up. You know, I did not look to see. Have you guys ever shipped this kind of stuff before? I think it's just an alcohol solution, but I don't know if there's any restrictions. I need to look to see. It probably is flammable, and it's made out of glass. I have it packed really well, and you can hear that it's liquid, but I don't know if there's any restrictions. I need to double check that. But anyways, 4 packages going out. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.